In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Slack, making your virtual meetings a breeze. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The integration process is simple and can really enhance your team's communication and collaboration. So first things first, you'll want to open your Slack workspace. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look for the Slack app directory. To find the app directory, look at the left sidebar within your Slack window. There's a little Apps option you should see. Click on that, and it should take you to the app directory. Now in the search bar at the top of the directory, type in Zoom. This is the easiest way to find the Zoom application. Once you see it pop up, click on it, and then look for the Add button. This is essentially where we kickstart the integration process. After you click Add, you'll be prompted to configure the app settings. This step is really straightforward. You'll be guided through a series of prompts that will ensure Zoom can connect to your Slack workspace. It's important at this stage to read the permissions carefully, and when you're comfortable, go ahead and click Allow. This step gives Zoom the necessary access to synchronize with your Slack account. Just a quick reminder, this is crucial for making sure everything works seamlessly. Once you've successfully authorized Zoom and configured the necessary settings, you're almost ready to jump into your meetings. The integration is complete, and now you can start using it to set up meetings directly from within Slack. Now let's walk through how to actually start a Zoom meeting from Slack. It's super easy. Navigate to any channel or direct message where you want to initiate your meeting. In the message field, this is where you usually type your messages. Type in /Zoom and then hit Enter. That's it. Slack will automatically generate a Zoom meeting link right there in the conversation. When you hit Enter, the link to your Zoom meeting will pop up, and you can share it right away with your colleagues or friends in that channel. They'll be able to click on the link and join you in the Zoom meeting seamlessly. It's simply an effective way to manage your virtual meetings without needing to switch back and forth between different applications. And there you have it. Integrating Zoom with Slack can streamline your workflow and make collaborating with your team smoother than ever. If you haven't done this yet, I encourage you to give it a try. Whether you're working on projects, conducting team calls, or just catching up with coworkers, this integration is bound to save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe